little friends. This is Pink Bunny. Welcome to the Happy Farm. Wow! Look at all this corn! Pink Bunny wants to harvest today.
Oh! What's that sound? The tractor is coming to help.
Chop, chop, chop! Good job, Mr. Tractor! Pick, pick, pick! Pink Bunny loves working together.
Here comes the corn truck. Let's take the corn home.
Yay! We did it! Hard work makes us happy. Do you like Pink Bunny? Tap like again and see you again. Bye-bye.